going on, guys? Are you guys thinking about moving to San Antonio in the next 30 to 90 days? I got you guys. Check out this new model home that I'm about to check out. 1,900 square feet. About amazing. Look what we can do. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, let us know what you think about the house. All right, we're out here with the Perry home in the neighborhood of Arcadia Ridge, northwest San Antonio. You got this beautiful property here, guys. Again, 1,900 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. And this property is selling just right above 400,000, guys. 414,000 exactly for this one, guys. Well, this is a model home, right? But you know what I mean, this floor plan. Right, as you walk in, here's 20-foot ceilings. An office to your left here. A mud bench. Here's your content, okay? Here's your living room. Alright, living room with your kitchen, which is also gas. Right, really entertaining. Let's go in here and check out the master, and then we'll go look at the other 2 bedrooms. Right, tons of natural light. Yeah, you got a garden tub. You have a big shower. His and her sink. And your walk-in closet. Let's go ahead and go back and check out the rooms. Okay, llegamos, here we are to the room number, the second room. Converted into a baby room. This is their full bath that they share. And on this end, we have room number 2. Right, room number 3. We also have the office in the front, as you guys saw, can be converted into its own room. All right, let's go check out the backyard on this amazing property. All right, look at this. A lot of natural light. Brick finish. They finished the same tile from the inside on the outside. Concrete. I'm sorry, brick. All around, guys. Brick home here. Beautiful, beautiful construction, quality home from Perry. So, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're gonna move to San Antonio, subscribe, like, comment, let me know. Have a list of inventory homes that I can send you that have offers like this one. This one's being reduced by $60,000, guys. Let me help you.